Welcome to SRN Knowledge Center. Greetings, dear learners. I am faculty of mathematics at SRN International School, Jagatpura, Jaipur. Today we will learn a topic taken from grade 10th mathematics, that is statistics. So let's begin the video. So today we will cover following topics: that how to calculate the mean of grouped and ungrouped data with the help of three methods, that is direct method, assumed mean method and step deviation method. Now mean of a group data. Before coming to the mean, first try to understand what does this mean word and what does this data means for us. So the word data means information in the form of numerical figures or a set of given facts. Coming to mean, it is the average of the numbers. If there are so many observations like x1, x2 till xn with respective frequencies, that is f1, f2 till fn, then mean can be calculated as x bar is the symbol of mean is equal to product of frequency and observation upon sum of frequencies. So the formula will be x bar f1 x1 plus f2 x2 till fn xn upon f1 plus f2 till fn. Now we can write this big equation into a smaller form by applying symbols of summation. So x bar is equal to summation of fi xi, where I represents a natural number starting from 1 to n, upon summation of frequencies, that is fi. So I represents natural number from 1 to n. Now another term will be used in the discussion, that is class mark. So class mark will be calculated with the help of upper class limit plus lower class limit upon 2. Now we will discuss the same thing with the help of an example. So in this example we need to find the mean of first 10 natural numbers. So given data are 10 natural numbers starting from 1 to 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So first of all we need to find the sum of observation. By adding from 1 to 10 we will get 55. Total number of observation is 10. So mean will be sum of observation to the total number of observation, that is 55 by 10, and the mean will be 5.5. Now this example can be extended so that we can introduce class mark and its application. So class interval ranges from 0 to 10, 10 to 20 and so on till 50 to 60. And frequencies are respectively 2, 5, 4, 8, 3, 9. Now we will make a table accordingly in which class interval and class marks are mentioned. So as we know that class mark can be calculated with the help of the formula, that is upper limit plus lower limit upon 2. With the help of that we will fill the table. For example, for first table we can draw in terms of the class interval 0 to 10 and class mark 0 plus 10 upon 2, it will give you 5, and so on. We will fill the complete table. Now we will introduce another term, that is product of frequency and observation. So in this table we can see that class interval ranges from 0 to 10, frequency is 2, observations is 5, product of frequency and observation is 5 into 2, that is 10. Similarly we will complete the table till 50 to 60 range, that is class interval. 9 is the frequency, 55 is the observation and 495 as the product of frequency and observation. Now we know that if we apply the formula x bar is equal to summation of fi xi upon fi, we require the sum of frequency and the sum of product of frequency and observation. So we will put the value 1095 upon 31. So after solution we will get x bar is equal to 35. So this is the one method which is known as direct method to calculate the mean. Now let's talk about mean of the group data with the help of step deviation method. In step deviation method we will use a different formula to reduce the calculation. This formula is given The formula is x bar is equal to a plus h multiplied by summation of product of frequency and the term u. I will explain u, what is that, upon summation of frequencies. Now a is the assumed mean. In the question we will assume that there is a mean, that is a. So it can be decided with the help of the given table. But right now we are using a as the variable. So u is the represented as x minus a upon h. H is the class size. Now we will solve one question with the help of an example in which class interval and frequency is given. Class interval ranging from 0 to 10 till 40 to 50, and frequencies are given as 10, 6, 8, 12 and 5. So we will complete the table with the help of class interval and class marks. Now we know what we have assumed, a as 25 and h as 10, class size is 10, that is 0 to 10, upper limit minus lower limit will give you class size, and assumption of mean can be taken from the central value, that is 20 to 30. So the average of 20 to 30 is 25, so we have assumed it. Now we will put these values on the given formula, and before that we need to find the summation of fi di. So we will complete this table, which includes class interval, frequency, xi, deviation, d represents deviation from the assumed mean, then u, x minus a upon h, then the product of f and d and f and x. So now let's complete the table. After calculation we can complete the table and just take the summation of fi, that is 41, and summation of f into u, that is minus 4, fd is minus 40. Now put all these values in the given formula. X bar is equal to a plus summation of fi di upon summation of fi. Now putting the value we will get 24.02. This is the mean for the given data with the help of assumed mean method. Now let's talk about a step deviation. We are solving the same question with the help of a step deviation method. Now formula is different, as I told you earlier. X bar is equal to a plus h multiplied by fi ui upon fi. The values are calculated on the given table. Now we can find the solution. A is equal to 25, h is equal to 10, and summation of fi ui is minus 4 and summation of fi is 41. By putting all these values and calculation we will get mean, that is 24.02. This is obtained from step deviation method. Now we can see the difference in both the answer. You will find there is no difference in the solution by any of the method. So this is how we are going to calculate the mean with the help of direct method, step deviation method and assumed mean method. So thank you so much for listening me carefully. Now do like, subscribe our channel and try to understand and solve so many questions as you can for statics mean. Thank you so much. Bless you kids.